All my various project panels are now in place on the tracker and follows the sun all day long. These are all the different panels that I use and switch between for my projects. Now with everything in place, it's time to compare the difference between tracking and fixed panels. I will run a comparison between blue sky, partly cloudy, overcast, and rain. I will also test these two theories in practice with all panels. I'm most curious about the parallel setup where the volts are after the smallest panel and the amps are added together. Just having these two panels in the same parallel connection is really interesting. Maybe, I don't know, but we'll see how it goes. The results will be published here, so click subscribe to be updated when the videos comes out along with my other solar projects. I replaced the spotter cylinder with a longer one to make it easier to see the shadow. The new cylinder is 10 centimeters, 3.94 inch long and 37 millimeters, 1.45 inch wide. There are some fine adjustments that will be made to the angles of the control panels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.